Hello folks, thanks for visiting Active Automotive and looking at a rare car in our opinion. They don't come along very often in this condition. Obviously a 911. This one has got the GT3 body kit, which it was supplied from Porsche new with that. There's a number of options. I won't profess to be an expert on all the options that it has got, but I'll try and show you around it and give you a great idea of just how clean it is. Hopefully the camera will do it justice. We've got good service history, and obviously it's all checked out accordingly. Still looks a stunning car. So let's walk round. Like I say, with the GT3 body kit, obviously you get the bigger front bumper, the side skirts, the big spoiler on the rear, and a slightly deeper rear bumper. But obviously as well, what we've got with the split rim alloys, believe it or not, the gold Porsche badge, that would have been a cost option new. But let's show you inside. So to get into the rear, you lift this button here, and then there's your two rear seats. Good luck if you want to take a journey in the back of there, let's be honest, but they're there should you need to, but you wouldn't want to go far in the back of there, let's be honest. With your seats, all in good condition. Credit to Porsche really and the owners that this car's had. All it's still in lovely condition really. No scratches, no tears, no rips, no marks. Same with all the dashboard and so on. It really has had a good home. All the carpets etc. all in good, and we do have overmats for it as well. And then the door card again, no problems around here, no problems down there, all still in lovely condition. Moving round to the rear, as you can see, a stunning looking car, very clean, very clean. There is definitely something about them, how they look. I'll show you in the engine bay, the way you get into these. I'll do the bonnet at the same time, but the engine bay, excuse our phone in the background. Lift that for the boot, lift that for the front, and I'll show you there in a minute. But let's show you in here. So basically just lift, and that's where it's all tucked in there. Their idea, I think, if you do anything of any serious servicing, you drop the engine out the back. Straight out the bottom apparently. I'm glad I'm not the mechanic. But again, let's walk around and show you in here. There we go. And again, just to show you those seats etc. in the back, hopefully the camera's adjusted. They are in lovely condition, hardly ever used I should think. All the backs of the seats etc. still all good. And the driver's side door card, no different to the passenger, all these all in great condition. And then the driver's seat, like I said before, no tears, no holes, all still lovely. And then just to show you in here, so basically all your lights are here, wipers are here, and this one does have a rear as well, and then also indicates a main beam here. And then the way it works, obviously the radio here, and then your climate control is all adjusted from there. 6-speed box, and then lecky windows and so on there. But as you can see, the dash, all of that, all in lovely condition. It's rare we get one of these, certainly in this condition and with this spec. Even down to the electric seats operated here. So there you have it. Oh, shut the door. There you have it, our lovely 911 with the GT3 body kit. Stunning looking car, fantastic condition, but please do pick up the phone to make an appointment. This is definitely an appointment only vehicle. You do need to pick up the phone to speak to us, and then we can hold the car should you wish to make the journey. Many thanks for looking.